Hello everyone. I hope you are doing well actually. So I come again with another tips of the or a tutorial of the Unreal Engine 5 actually. So as you can see, this is one of my recent project. There is a problem. This is a static mesh, by the way. This is a static mesh, okay? So there is a problem of a face normal problem. So today's topic is how you can fix the face normal problem in Unreal Engine. It's supposed to be you can fix it from the 3D software that you are using. You can use 3ds Max, Blender, or Maya, whatever you're gonna use. But when you bring the static mesh from that softwares to the Unreal Engine 5, there may be some face maybe behaving weirdly. So it's like you can see you have to examine the face very detailedly, very carefully. You have to examine the faces actually. This looking normal, okay. But the problem is here, as you can see this part, as you can see this part, you can focus on this part. This is a black part, and the opposite side, interesting fact is the opposite side is okay. Okay, you can see the leg, this part is okay, but here is this face is actually problematic. There is the black part is showing. So this face is actually flipped. Okay, so how can you fix that? So you may be facing that some of the face of yours static mesh maybe have this issue, and you are dealing with this issue. So there is two option. The longest fix is you have to go to the software that you are imported in, like in my case I have to go to the original model of the 3ds Max, and then I have to fix this issue and then re-import it, and then I have to fix this issue in the Unreal. So that is actually very time consuming. So Unreal has a very handy fix for this one. Let's say you have this issue, okay? So you have to go to the here in this tab and go to the modeling section. Okay, yeah, you have to select that. Otherwise, this one, let's say the selection part, right? Okay, yours is like this. You have to go to from here. You have to go to the modeling part. You have to select your mesh, static mesh, and then focus on this part. Okay, focus on this part. You have to fix that. So what you can do, you have to go to the attributes. Okay, mesh attributes. Mesh attributes, go to there, and you see the normals. Okay, you see the normals. So let's see, if I click on normals, what happens? Let's see. Click on normals. See, this part is now fixed. Okay, okay, as you can see, you can go to the zoom. This part is fixed. You can go to the other side. Fixed, fixed. Okay, no issue, no issue. Okay, no issue. It's all done. Okay, yeah, no issue. Now all you have to do, you see, no issue, done. All phases are behaving properly. Okay, so now all you have to do is you just accept that, and that is fixed, done. Okay, and you can go to the from the modeling tab. You have to go to the selection again, or whatever you're gonna working with, no problem. So yeah, this is how you fix the normal issues. Okay, guys. So you have to examine your mesh, particularly the static mesh, very carefully. That some weird behavior, in case you see some weird behavior or some maybe the black face like that. If you see that, this is immediately you have to catch that this is a face normal problem. This is a quite basic problem that designers face actually. So you have to there is a easy fix that. Okay, you don't have to go to your 3D software to do that and fix this issue in a traditional way. There is a very smart tool there you have to go to and just do that. So guys, I think this will be very helpful, and keep sharing my content and keep subscribing my channel. I am actually doing this kind of tips and tricks or a tutorial for Unreal and Unity also. So please feel free to visit my channel, and I am expecting um, a subscribe from you. Thank you, thank you, thank you.